it's Mariah again with another unboxing. So let's get started. So like 5 packages all came, or 5 items all came in one bag. So I'm just making different videos as I unbox them. So it's already open. So here we have the beer chiller sticks, okay? Look at this packaging. The packaging is like so classy. It would make like a great gift. So it's like the hard type. Whenever you open it, oh, look at this. Oh yeah, I love packaging like this. Like this, and even, you know, the magnet, so like the bottle opener is sticking to it. And then here's like the little scan code. You can activate your 1-year warranty, so that's awesome. I'm actually buying this as a gift for somebody for Christmas. So what you do is you freeze this and then you put it in your beer and it stays cold. So instead of using ice cubes and watering down, or if you're out and you're not around a fridge or anything like that, I guess you're drinking on the go in a safe way. Don't drink and drive. You would just freeze this, put it in there, and go. Yes, this is awesome. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy one for myself because this is a gift, and then use it for my wine.